In this lesson, I'm going to be discussing InDesign resources from around the world. And believe it or not, the best place to start finding these resources is right in InDesign itself, in the welcome screen. Now, I know a lot of people, when they first see the welcome screen, the first thing they do is check, "Don't show again." Well, not so fast. Uncheck that checkbox. Because you can not only create new documents here, you can also set up books, libraries, or you can find a recent layout that you've worked on without having to look all over your computer to find it. And there's a whole worldwide community of InDesign resources, including InDesign Exchange, which is a great place to download templates, scripts, and even plugins that extend the capabilities of InDesign CS5. You can also find InDesign partners, so if you're looking for training and want to find an Adobe certified instructor or training facility, this is the place to come. Or if you're working on a complex project for InDesign and you need a developer to help you create scripts or plugins for the project, this is where you can find them. Let me check out InDesign User Group. If I click on that, I go right to the worldwide InDesign User Group community. And what is great about InDesign User Groups is you get to hear top experts from around the world talking about InDesign. And it's totally free to join, and meetings are totally free as well. So look for a chapter near you. Let me just find one here. And in the local chapters, you can actually see when the next meeting is scheduled. You can get meeting summaries of recent meetings or upcoming Adobe events that may be of interest to you if they're in your area. Let me just scroll down a little bit. And you get member benefits. And remember, you're getting benefits and it's totally free. So you may get discounts from various publishers or when you subscribe to magazines or even with Adobe events. So sign up today. It is great. Let me check out some of the websites that are available with tremendous resources for InDesign and all of Creative Suite. This is layersmagazine.com. And if you want, you can actually get a free issue of Layers magazine to see if you want to subscribe. And in the tutorials area, you'll see tutorials about all of Creative Suite. Let me just scroll down a little bit because while you're here, don't forget to sign up for Layers magazine tips of the day by entering your email address. And remember, it's totally free. In your email every single weekday, you'll get a tip about InDesign or Illustrator. Another great website is InDesign Secrets at InDesignSecrets.com. And top experts such as Anne-Marie Concepcion and David Blattner have put together tremendous information about InDesign. And while you're here, you can actually listen to their InDesign Secrets podcast to see why they are so popular. Let me go to InDesign Magazine. InDesignMag.com is an absolutely wonderful magazine with great information and articles about InDesign. And once again, you can get a free issue. You can download an issue of InDesign Magazine to see if you like it before you actually subscribe. And last but not least is the InDesigner, Michael Murphy. Let me just go to About the InDesigner, and there's Michael Murphy. And his video tutorials, I would say, are the tops on the web. They are extremely clear and step-by-step and take you through a lot of the more complex features. So some of the features that I may not be covering, the advanced features in this training, you can find terrific tutorials right here on theindesigner.com. Well, let's get into InDesign.